Charity Australia International, in partnership with Alkhidmat Foundation Pakistan, decided to offer the helping hand for families in Gaza who are suffering from the severe lack of water, food, in addition to winter cold and its heavy rain. And so that today we are providing them with healthy, clean drinking water. We are now at 𝗕曉 shelter in the central Gaza Strip in order to provide the families inside with the clean and healthy drinking water, aiming to minimize and alleviate their daily suffering.
Thank you for Charity Australia and Alkhidmat Pakistan for delivering clean and healthy water for the displaced people here in the camp. We really need this water, and we thank you for providing this water continuously for the camp. Thank you. Thank you so much for your service.
Thanks for the donors, and we really appreciate your efforts and giving, and keep on this way.